Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use DALL-E for free. As you can see, I'm now on ChatGPT and I'm using ChatGPT Plus subscription. So it's like a paid DALL-E now. If you want to go ahead and use a free DALL-E, first of all, you will need to go ahead and install Bing search on your iPhone. So let's go to App Store and search for Bing. So you need to go ahead and get the Bing. Now you want to go ahead and open it up. You will see this. Click continue. And now once you are here, you're just gonna sign into your Microsoft account and click on image creator. Create images from words with AI. And now describe what you would like to create. So create me a futuristic city. Now, as you can see, it's creating me a image. So I just need to wait a little bit. Now, as you can see at the bottom, it's powered by DALL-E free. So that's why it's for free. And now you don't need to pay for ChatGPT Plus subscription. Just what I see is that on ChatGPT, it loads up way quicker than this. It loads up really, really slow. Now, as you can see, you have these coins. So one image is 1 coin, and you get them, and you get 15 coins. So make sure you check that out. And here it is. Here's your image. Now you can go ahead, click on it, and download it. Just hold on image and click Save to Photos. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.